Make a voice call on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a audio call or voice call on Instagram. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is that make sure to update your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store. And then after updating your Instagram, what you need to do is that just you need to open the Instagram app. Okay, after opening here, this type of interface will be pop up. So here, after updating only, you will be able to see the option to make a voice call or audio call. So just click on the message section on the bottom, and then here, let me just say you first of all, I mean first of all, you need to follow that particular person. Okay, so for example, you can see that this one. So here on the top you can see the call icon, the ring icon. Simply you need to click on it, and then you can see it's called how you can I mean make an audio call on Instagram. And if it is not available, then please comment me down below. I will definitely gonna help you out personally. Thanks for watching.